live in a world that rarely sleeps. A world filled with notifications, deadlines, and the constant hum of concrete cities. But if you walk far enough, past the concrete, past the noise, there is a place where time slows down. Welcome back to the wild. Listen closely. This isn't the absence of sound. This is the presence of peace. Here, the only rush is the wind moving through the pine needles. The only clock is the rising of the sun. Nature has its own rhythm. It doesn't strive, yet everything is accomplished. The river doesn't hurry, yet it carves its way through stone. The ancient trees don't compete, they simply grow toward the light. When we step into the wild, we step back into our own true nature. We breathe deeper, our shoulders drop. The chaos in our minds begins to settle, mirroring the stillness of the landscape around us. In this space, you don't have to do anything. You just have to be. Look around. The creatures of the wild do not worry about tomorrow. They live entirely in the gift of the present moment. They remind us that we too are a part of this intricate, beautiful ecosystem. We are not just visitors here. We belong to this earth. Every breath we take connects us to the trees, the soil, and the sky. As the day fades and the earth prepares to rest, take this stillness with you. You don't have to leave it behind in the woods. The peace of the wild is a sanctuary you can carry within your heart, wherever you go. Breathe it in. Remember the quiet, and know that the wild is always here, waiting to welcome you home. Close your eyes, let go, and find your peace.